Hi guys, this is Jod. In today's video we are going to replace the screen of this Samsung J3 2016. It's a bit broken and not working. I've got the replacement screen, it's a brand new one. First of all, I'm going to test it. I will show you how can you test the new screen before disassembling the device, and then I'm just going to remove the battery, warm up the screen to make sure that the adhesive is going to release, and then I'm going to install the new screen. The new screen has the adhesive on it already, so I shouldn't need to use any extras. Let's kick it. Because the old screen is broken, of course I won't need to be super gentle on it, so I'm just going to sort of rip it off. Okay, before I'm going to inflict any sort of injury on myself, I'm going to put on some gloves and I will go to some safe place and I'm just going to rip off this part and trying not to shatter all kind of glass particles around. I'll be back in a second. Luckily it came off, well, almost in one piece. It was rather two pieces, but came off. As a next step, I'm going to apply some double-sided tape on the housing of the phone to make sure that the screen is going to be held properly. I'm going to be careful when I'm putting in the screen. There is a slot for the cable, so I need to make sure that the cable goes through, the connector goes through without breaking the flex cable. I need to remove the blue cover or foil from the back of the screen. I need to remove the protectors of the adhesive from around, and I'm also going to put in the button, the home button, to its place, and then I assemble it. Okay, that was it about replacing the screen. It's simple as that. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I would like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.